Yeah.
Go get their face.
So the boys have decided that they want to organize. What are they organizing? Well, letters. This is Paul cleaning up the shop. There's Pam. We're really cold and bored. And here are the guys. Well, this is the shop. I'll show you the pizza that they're eating too. Brass stinks. This is the pizza that they ate. 3 days old. This is the office. There's Pam, still cold. And here are the boys, still going at it.
I got stuck in your hair.